Amanda Hatton. I'm a seasonal gardener. The partnership garden is one of my areas I get to take care of and I get to design. Last year, I started saving plastic. I was planning on making sculptures to go in my garden to go with Wash to Shore. In the partnership garden, I'm given all American Selections plants. They give me 2 years of their winners to use in my garden. So I'm told which plants I have to use. AAS told me that I needed to do something with science, technology, engineering, art, and math. I really leaned into the art. I made the flowers, and the Nautilus works into art and math because there's this thing called the Fibonacci sequence, which is the math of the spiral. There's so many spirals in nature. I use that a lot in my garden. I have a spiral bed. I have the sunflower that has the spiral in the seed head. I have a snail vine. All of my veggies are mixed in with my flowers. My spiral, it may look really pretty, and I have these dahlias around the edge, but right next to the dahlias, there's a bunch of peppers. Further on in the spiral, I've got soybeans in with my dianthus. Very, very middle of my spiral, there's potatoes. So the veggies are mixed in with my flowers.